Inaantok na kasi po ako. Good night po. Matutulog na po ako. Tomorrow again, I'm going to talk to you. Thank you so much for your joining to my live. Are you single, Ma'am Kat? I'm not single. I already married. I am married.